So Plutosphere lets you play high-end PC VR games without needing a computer. Plutosphere will support Oculus Quest and Quest 2 during their limited launch. Android, iOS, and HoloLens 2 and Windows support are coming soon. With Plutosphere, Steam and Epic Store comes pre-installed. Any PC games or apps you already own on those platforms will be accessible to you, and you can also install any other Windows app you want. It's easy to use. All you need is a supported device and a good internet connection to get started. So let's talk about some of the requirements. So you're gonna need a 50 Mbps internet and 5 gigs Wi-Fi 6. If you want to partake in Plutosphere right now, it's in beta. You just have to go to the website right here, plutosphere.com, and reserve your spot. So after testing Plutosphere VR, I can say it's more of a Maximus settings type equivalent VR client. Now what this means is pretty much you have a virtual PC, and I'll showcase that in a bit, to where you have to install your games to, and then you use your Plutosphere app in Oculus Quest 2 to play those games. With Plutosphere you actually have to purchase your games, and then by doing so you're using the virtual PC in the cloud to play those games. So let's get into how you set this up. So once you get into the beta, you have to run a questionnaire to see if your internet connection and your location is good enough to handle Plutosphere. So by doing so, they create a PC for you. And so the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come here to Pluto Alpha Beta. You're going to want to hit start. So by hitting start here, this starts up your login session. And when you're done, you have to make sure that you hit stop as well. So after doing that, you have to then go to something called a desktop widget. So after doing so, you have to sign up for Desktop Vision. You have to use your email, and they will give you a password that you enter to start this process. So this would not work here if you didn't hit start in the Pluto Alpha Beta. So when you're in the Desktop Vision, this is where the magic happens. This is your virtual PC. So pretty much you have access to your virtual computer. So with this, Steam is already installed here, and Steam VR is already installed. So you go into Steam and you locate the games that you have purchased, and you download it to this client right here. And that is all you need to do. So once you download it here, I'm going to show you guys later, but it's going to show up in the Plutosphere VR app in your Oculus Quest. So for the next part of the installation process, it's going to ask you to install the Plutosphere VR app on the Oculus Quest 2. I'm not going to bore you guys to death to go over all of this, but I'm going to post it right here on the screen so you guys can actually see how to do it. Now let's move on. Alright, so I want to give you guys an overview of what it looks like to be inside of Plutosphere app on the Oculus Quest 2. So as you can see right here, this is the home menu once you log on to the Oculus Quest 2. Now you hit this button and you should be able to see all of the games that you've downloaded in your virtual cloud. So right here I have Medal of Honor and Half-Life Alyx. So all you have to do now is just click a game like I did with Half-Life Alyx, and it just boots you right into the game like this. It's pretty simple, pretty cool. And again, this is the beauty of cloud gaming. It's pretty awesome. I want to show you guys the spec of this virtual PC. So as you can see here, it is an Intel Xen Platinum 8259CL CPU, 2.50 GHz. It has a 31.5 gig RAM, and the storage size is 512 SSD. So it's pretty decent spec. And when talking with some of the devs, they were saying that this is the beta still, and they actually looking to upgrade the specs of this virtual PC. So they say stay tuned. They have more news to come with specs, which is pretty incredible. So I'm going to give you guys my overall impression and my final verdict. And I have to say, this is the future of VR gaming. This is so brilliant. And again, it runs well. It's still in beta, so it still has its issues. But once they sort this out, guys, I can't tell you how excited I am for this service. The fact that I don't need a powerful PC to play these awesome games in the cloud anywhere, this is what I've been hoping for. And again, with Neo on the horizon and this being a thing, I think again this is just the beginning. and the future is really looking bright for VR and cloud gaming. Guys, I highly recommend Plutosphere VR. If you guys haven't tested this out and you guys are really looking into gaming in the cloud with your VR headset, then definitely sign up for the beta and cross your fingers and hope that you get in. Alright fellas, that's all I have to say. Had a lot of fun with this, and again we'll be testing out some more. Alright fellas, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because more cloud gaming VR content is coming your way. Till next time fellas, peace out.